Turbo up pipes. We sell a lot of turbo up pipes here at Thoroughbred Diesel. Now what happens to the turbo up pipes is they have a component in them called a bellow. The bellow will actually wear out over time and it will split. This will give you an exhaust leak. How do you know that this has happened? Well, you're going to have an increase in turbo sound, you're going to have a decrease in turbo performance or decrease in truck performance, you have an increase in EGTs, soot trail, you're going to notice a soot trail because the exhaust gases are escaping through here and they're blowing all over your engine compartment. So what do you do to combat this? Well, if you know that this has happened to you and you're going to replace it, we offer upgraded turbo up pipes from several different manufacturers. And the manufacturers do different things for the different companies. Some of them offer a rigid pipe to go back in there. Some of them offer them with upgraded bellows or a different style of bellow. So it's definitely something that you want to consider if you already have the failure, if you've got the cab off the truck and you're doing something else for you Ford guys, you got the engine out of the truck, so on and so forth. Definitely go ahead and address your turbo up pipes, or at least check them to see if you're having a failure for sure. These components are in hard to get to places, so you're not going to be able to just stop on the side of the road and change out an up pipe on a 6.0 Ford. Obviously you know that. So just something to consider. This, you probably look at this saying, wait, that's not a turbo up pipe. This is an EGR pipe off of a LML truck, and it's split at this bellow right here. This split left a complete soot trail down the entire passenger side of the engine. The customer was noticing obviously decrease in performance, increase in EGT, soot all over his engine compartment, yada, yada, yada. So there you go. Turbo up pipes. Definitely want to make sure that you upgrade those when you're doing any type of upgrade on your truck that gives you easier access to that component. If you have a question about this or anything else, any other products that we sell, give us a call. Thank you.